Hello everyone and welcome to It's Raining, Let's Draw. Today we're going to draw and paint the moon using ink. Make sure you have the following materials. Some good watercolor paper. You're going to need a bowl or some round object. A pencil. You're going to need to mix a light wash, which consists of half deciliter of water and 1 drop of ink. You're also going to need a wash that's a medium wash, which consists of 2 spoonfuls of water and 7 drops of ink. We're going to need a brush, and then we're going to use our secret trick, which is paper towel. Make sure to make your light wash and medium wash before painting the moon, because especially in the beginning it's going to be quite fast. First off, we're going to draw a perfect circle using our bowl. We just make a silhouette by pressing the pencil towards the edge of the bowl here. Now for the next part, you're going to have to work quite swift. So first off, I take my light wash here and just soak up some ink here on the pen. And then you just start filling in the circle here. This is the part where you have to be kind of swift, and it's okay that the ink runs out of the edges, because later on we're going to paint that black. And then I'm just also brushing in the middle here to make sure that it doesn't dry up too fast, because we're going to want to have this not drying yet. Okay, then we quickly take some crumpled paper towel here and then just lift up some ink here and there, and this is what creates our texture here. And while it's still wet, we take our medium wash here and dip the brush into the medium wash, and then just randomly put some spots here and there, and there you can see the flowering effect when painting wet and wet. Make sure that some spots are larger than the others, so that we have some variety. And while this is still wet, we take our crumpled paper and then just lift off some ink again here. And there's plenty of room to experiment here with other things than paper towel to create this cratery feeling of the moon. And from here on, it's just up to time to let it dry. And while it dries, you might as well do something productive. Okay, so 10 minutes later, it's dried now. And I'm just gonna use pretty much just ink now. There's not much of water in there, just 10 drops of ink or something like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and paint the outside of the moon in pure black ink here. This is gonna make the moon pop nicely and look like a moon on a night sky. And we're finished. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want more drawing tips and drawing fun from It's Raining, Let's Draw. Until next time, have fun drawing, folks.